Module 1.3, Basic Terminology. In order to study acoustics, we need to use mathematical formulas and understand some basic terms. In this course, we'll use the metric system. If you grew up in the United States, you're probably not familiar with the metric system. I will make comparisons so these terms have meaning for you. Our first unit is the meter, which is used to measure length or distance. A meter is 39.37 inches, or a little bit more than 3 feet. If you're 6 feet tall, it's approximately the distance from the tip of your finger to the center of your chest. If you're on a tiled floor, and the tiles are 12-inch squares, 3 tiles would be just shy of a meter. We will be using a few prefixes to modify our units of measurement. The prefixes are very important, so make sure you understand them and how to use them. The first prefix is centi, which means 1/100th, or times 10 to the minus 2, or times 0.01. So a centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. A centimeter is about a half an inch, or about the width of your fingernail. The next prefix is milli, which means times 1,000th, or times 10 to the minus 3, or times 0.001. A millimeter is 1,000th of a meter, or 1/10th of a centimeter. A millimeter is about 1/32nd of an inch, or the width of a regular pencil lead. The next prefix is micro, which means 1/1,000th, or times 10 to the minus 6, or times 0.000001. In distance, we say a micron instead of a micrometer. A human hair is about 70 microns in diameter. A red blood cell is about 8 microns in diameter. A micron is pretty small. The last prefix we will use in this course is kilo, which means times 1,000 or times 10 to the third. A kilometer is 1,000 meters, or about 6/10ths of a mile. There are many more prefixes, but these are the ones that we will use in this course. Here's a few more comparisons. An inch is about 2.5 centimeters. A meter is about 3¼ feet. A mile is 1.6 kilometers. And a foot is a little less than 1/3 of a meter. Time. Luckily, the basic unit for time is a second, the same unit that we use. A minute is 60 seconds, and an hour is 3,600 seconds. A millisecond is 1,000th of a second. It takes sound about 3 milliseconds to travel 1 meter. Mass is a measurement of the amount of matter. It is similar to weight, but not exactly. We'll look at the differences later. The basic unit of mass is a gram. A paper clip is about 1 gram. There are 1,000 grams in a kilogram, which is 2.2 pounds. So a kilogram is about the same as a half a bag of sugar. It's a moderate amount of weight. There are 454 grams in a pound. If you weigh 130 pounds, you're about 60 kilograms. To review, the basic units of the metric system are the meter for length, the second for time, and the gram for mass. We will use 4 prefixes in this course: centi, milli, micro, and kilo. The prefixes change the values of the units by different multiples of 10 and are very important if you want the results to be correct.